So we're gonna go ahead and get these running boards put on the pickup. We have 2 boxes of hardware and a box or a bag of hardware. We're gonna go through all this and figure out exactly what goes on what, get everything laid out on both sides so we can start assembly. So here they are, very high quality, and I like them. They're not gonna add a lot of weight. They come with all the hardware to mount to the brackets already in them. You have your 6 brackets, 3 for left, 3 for right, and the bag of attachment hardware. So let's go ahead and get this ready to go. So as far as the installation goes, it's pretty straight up. Most vehicles already have the holes, and there's no drilling on most vehicles and stuff like that. So we got to get 4 of these brackets on here and 4 on the other side. Also, just be careful. Make sure if you hadn't had running boards that you make sure and clean all the dirt out of these factory welded on nuts right there so you don't strip this bolt out. So if you have a 2-door model, the holes on my Silverado are already here for the front 2. But when you come back here, the only difference is on the 4-door, you got to use these. You just pull this little rubber plug and you slide that in, and then the bracket will literally just go like that, and you put the bolts with the washers in, and it's easy peasy. So now we got 1, 2, 3, 4 brackets on. The next step is going to be actually getting the side step on. The wind is just not cooperating today. I'll have to take these out, and these will slide with the brackets in there and go in here on each of them. What we're gonna do, we loosen these up, and we're gonna send kind of just where they're generally gonna be, and that way we don't have to worry about sliding a little square nut. I've done a couple of these installations. It's just easier to do it like this. And we're gonna leave everything loose once we get them on, and we'll get both sides on, and we'll measure and see the position forward to back where exactly we want them, because you can see that these slide right here. Next step is you get these under here, leave them loose, and it allows you to position it. I got mine lined up where I want it, tighten it down. When I do the other side, I'll measure from the tire to the front of that and make sure we got them center. Let's go ahead and tighten all of these down. So we got them on, we got them all tightened down, and I'm 340 pounds, and I'm climbing on these, and there is no issue. And I set mine kind of all the way out to the edge of the bracket, and then I just try to line this rivet up right here, kind of like right there. I'll measure from here to here to get a base idea, and the process is the same for the other side. This side took me less than a half hour to do. The other side should be even quicker now that I know exactly what to do and what hardware goes what. And honestly, anybody could do this with just a basic set of tools. Hell, you could even do it in an apartment complex parking garage.